So I've been keto for a bit over a year. I come from a background of healthy things. My mother is a health nut. She does everything organic, and everything is, you know, from the garden or as organic as humanly possible. So what I found was when I moved out about 5 years ago, I did not take those good habits from her. So I was trying to eat the same things that my fiance eats, which is carbs and sugars and all of the bad things. And I ended up gaining about 30 pounds. I'm active. I've been working out for quite a few years. I do CrossFit and I'm a CrossFit trainer. But I found that I just couldn't seem to lose weight. And it was because of the way that I was eating, and I knew that, but I struggled with binge eating my whole life. So there was no, like, in my head, I couldn't seem to get control of what I was eating and what I was putting in my body. But I knew it was a problem. So a few years ago, I kind of started going a little bit healthier, eating more rices and quinoa, and still high carb, and still falling into the binge eating habits because I was still having the sugar and feeding my body the sugar, which just kind of sends me in crazy frenzies. So thankfully, Tiffany came to my gym, CrossFit Pound, last year and did a seminar on keto, and that was the first time in my life I had heard the word keto. And I remember sitting there and thinking at first, sugar, no sugar, that's impossible, I can't do that. But then as she was talking, I thought, well, if I can eat bacon and cheese and all these other things, like, maybe. And then as I thought more about it and started researching it, it's like something just clicked, and I was like, this actually makes sense. So I just kind of dove right in, and I mean, I've made many mistakes along the way, but for me, what it has done is it's literally brought me from a state of constant exhaustion to having steady energy throughout the whole day. I used to go to work and have to nap on my lunch hour and then get a coffee to survive the afternoon because I couldn't stay awake. I hardly ever nap anymore. I had brain fog, I couldn't think, I couldn't focus. My workouts were just not where I wanted them to be, not where, you know, some of my gym partners that I should be keeping up with were. And keto has literally completely 180'd my life. You know, now I have steady energy, my focus is a lot better. I'm learning to love and honor my body, which is a whole different mentality that before I didn't have. Before it was food controls me, and now I control food. So that's basically me.